Hello, today we are going to see experiment 5 joins. So here I have, so in this we'll see how to use a join command to display the value from multi-tables. So here first we'll drop the previously created manager table and we'll create a new one. Then we'll add the following employee which is created previously. Then we'll add the following employee underscore company table was created so previously. So here I have dropped the manager table which was created previously. Then I have dropped it. Then I have here I have inserted the values of employee underscore. Then here created the table of the employee. Then here the table is created. Then it added the values. Then I have inserted the values of employee underscore company with my register number 1207 employees. Then the name as Anil ACC and 1500, then 1st March 1989. It came as error, so I have created here. Then here, then here I have inserted the values. Then here I have inserted all the values, and here I have given a select from employee underscore company underscore 1207. Then here it has created the 9 rows, 9 rows selected, 9 rows selected, and here I have created the manager table. Then here I have created a new one of a manager table. So it has created table created. Then I have inserted the values of the manager underscore 1207 space values. Then here I have given Anil, Ajay, Nagpur. Then here I have inserted all the values. Then here I have given a select from manager underscore 1207. Then here it has displayed the e name and m name and city. Then here it has created the 7 rows selected. Now we'll see the first question, which is here will it is asking to write a query to display the name and living city and company name and salary and joining date of the employee using natural join. So here will So now here I have to create a first question. Was write a query to display the name and leaving city and company name and salary and joining date of an employee using natural join. So here I have given. So here I have given a command of select e name city comma c name comma salary comma j date from employee underscore 1207 natural join emp underscore company underscore 1207. So here it has displayed the e name city c name and salary j date, and it is showing the 8 rows selected. Now we'll move to the second question. So here in the second question, we'll see. Here we have to write a query to display the name, leaving city, and company name, salary, and joining date of the employee using cross join. So here I have given a command. Select a dot e name, a dot city, and b dot c name, b dot salary, and b dot j date, and from employee underscore 1207 a cross join employee underscore company underscore 1207 b. Then it has displayed e name, city, c name, and salary j date. So here it has created the rows of e name, city, c name, and salary j date. So here it is showing that 72 rows are selected. So now we'll move to the third question. So in this third question, we'll write a SQL statement to make a simultaneous product between a manager between manager name and employee name. So here I given a command select a dot e name b dot e name from manager underscore 1207 a cross join emp underscore company underscore 1207 b. Then it has displayed the e name and e name. So here we can see. So here it is showing 63 rows selected. Then here now we'll move to the fifth question. So in this fifth question, it is asking to display the employee name, manager name, and salary of the employee whose salary is greater than 3,000. So here I given a command. So select a dot e name, a dot m name, then b dot salary from manager underscore 1207 a emp underscore company underscore 1207 b, where the b dot salary is greater than 3,000. So here it has displayed the salary greater than the 3,000. So here are the e name and name. So here Anil Shankar, Jaya Sunil, and Vijay Prakash Ajay Anil Shankar Jaya Sunil having the more than 3,000 salary. It is showing a 21 rows are selected. Now we'll move to the sixth question. So here it is asking write a SQL statement to prepare a list with the employee names who lived and worked in the same city in the same so here I've given a command of select a dot e name, a dot m name, b dot salary from a manager underscore 1207 a join emp underscore company underscore 1207 b on in bracket will write b dot salary is greater than 3,000. So here it is displayed the name, m name, and salary. And now we'll move to the seventh question. So here I have created a company uh, companies table. Then here I have given a command. Select disconnect a dot e name from employee underscore 1207 a comma employee underscore company underscore 1207 b, where a dot c equal to Chennai and b dot salary between 1500 and 10,000. So it has printed the Ajay and Jaya. Then we'll move to the seventh question. In this, we'll see how to write a SQL statement to make a list with a employee and name who live in the city Chennai and whose salary is between 1,500 and 10,000. So here I have given a command. Then here it has printed the Ajay and Jaya. So now we'll move to the eighth question. So here, here it is asking to display the names of the employee, company, and names and salary of the employees who are the not assigned and living in a city. So here I given a command select a dot e name, b dot c name, and b dot salary from employee underscore 1207 company underscore 1207 and on a city a dot city is null and a dot e name equal to b dot e name. So here it has printed. So here it has printed the e name, c name, and salary. And now we'll move to the ninth question. So here in this ninth question, so here you can see in ninth question, here it is asking to display the employee name and manager and name shift all employees to join. So here